Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I am so sorry that I didn't vlog yesterday. I had every single intention to. Obviously, I wanted to vlog every single day until Christmas, but yesterday was just so stressful with traveling back from Europe, packing my suitcase, getting to the airport, going through customs, making sure that I had my passport on me, I didn't lose my cell phone, all that stuff. I really wanted to do it, but I was just so stressed out and I really just wanted to focus on making sure that I kept all of my belongings with me and got where I needed to go. I had to do it. Now we are back home and it is prime holiday season. I have a busy week ahead of me just because my annual holiday party is on Saturday, so I have to do all the preparations for that. It's Wednesday right now, which means that I need to start prepping for Saturday now, pretty much. I need to bake cookies, I need to go grocery shopping, I need to move all my furniture around. I just have to make sure that everything is ready. The RSVP list is at about 25 people right now, which is a lot of people, and I think more than last year. But I'm gonna start the day off by doing a Costco order for delivery. I wanna get normal things for the apartment, like protein drinks, seltzer and stuff, and then I wanna get some things for the holiday party, like plastic forks and knives. I also wanted to get some things to donate to a local organization. The place down the street from me called Chips, it's community help in Park Slope, which is the neighborhood that I live in. And they're a food pantry, community meal provider, and a shelter for women and children. They have a list on their website for all the high demand products they need every month. For December, they have ground coffee, Lysol wipes, tomato pasta sauce, shelf-stable milk, water, rice, trash bags, Ziploc bags, dinner napkins, plastic utensils, eggs, and butter. So I'm gonna try to order as many things as possible from Costco in bulk and then later go drop it off. I just did the order. I got ground coffee, Ziploc bags, Lysol wipes, tomato sauce, shelf-stable milk, water bottles, parboiled rice, cutlery, napkins, trash bags, also eggs on the list, but I think I have to do that another time just because I'm worried about bringing all this stuff and the eggs breaking. So that's gonna be the order, and we're gonna go stop by later and drop everything off. I also have to schedule a drop-off time so that they know that I'm coming. Now that I just got done saying that I have so much to do, I decided that it's time to do a craft that I definitely don't need to do. If anyone else can relate to the procrastination train, please raise your hand. I was just doing so many crafts in October and November. I got kind of burnt out and I haven't really done any in a few weeks now. I'm just craving like a little crafty moment. So I'm gonna make a garland out of a paper bag. I actually made one a few weeks ago. It's like an accordion style garland and it's super easy to do and obviously doesn't really cost anything. I just wanna make some more decorations for my holiday party just to like have around to put on the table and like just random places. So I figured this could be the perfect inexpensive little garland to make. And I just need to relax a little bit after the travel day yesterday and kind of reconnect with myself. But basically what you're gonna do is cut out a strip, cut it across, don't cut the sides or anything, just cut directly across about 6 inches high, and then you're gonna unravel the whole long sheet of paper, fold it accordion style, stencil out the design, and then color it in. Super easy. I'll show you. So now you have this super long strip of paper, which is perfect. I ended up making a template of a Christmas tree on a piece of paper, and I'm just gonna cut this out and use it and see how long I need to make each fold be. And then we're just gonna fold it back and forth and draw out the stencil. You also wanna make sure the ends of the tree aren't super pointy because you need a point where each tree connects and it doesn't break apart. Here's my super basic tree. Oh, he's so cute and ugly at the same time. So now I'm just gonna make the folds on the paper about the same width as the tree and make a little packet. I just finished and unraveled it. I always get so nervous that I accidentally like cut a part that I shouldn't, but as long as you just follow the outline and don't cut the edges, you're fine. It's a little wonky. It's not exactly perfect, but I think that adds character. So now I'm just gonna color it in and watch the new Amy Poehler, Julia Louis-Dreyfus podcast episode, which I'm so excited about. It came out a couple of days ago and I've just been itching to listen to it. I love both of them so much. And we're just gonna have like a little fun, crafty moment. Okay, I finished my garland and I'm gonna hang it up. Here's what it looks like. I just did a simple green and blue background and then these decorations. I actually used a garland on the Anthropologie website as inspo, but the one on the Anthropologie website is selling for like $40 and it's made out of cardstock, I'm pretty sure. So this is a really easy dupe. This is the version that I made a couple weeks ago, pretty much the same thing, slightly different colors. And I'm gonna hang them on my little coffee cart right here. Previously, I just had the one up right here, but I wanted to do one for each shelf. I thought that would be really cute. So one will go there and then one will go underneath. And I think that'll be such a cutie little detail. So let's hang it up. About to go do the delivery at Chips. This is everything that I got. I got the rice, water, Lysol wipes, napkins, garbage bags, cutlery, Ziploc bags, that's butter, coffee, tomato sauce, and milk. And just waiting to go drop it off now. I just got to Chips on 4th Avenue and we're gonna head in and drop everything off. I just got back from dropping off my donation at Chips. They were so busy inside, preparing food, preparing sandwiches, taking donations, separating donations, just running the whole organization. I've walked by a few times before, but I didn't really know anything about it. They've been around since 1971, supporting the community, providing meals, providing shelter. It's not too far away from where I live, so I'm really excited to learn more about what they do and donate my time, donate resources, and just support the community that I'm a part of, because I think that's really important. During the holidays and during the rest of the year, I'm gonna keep looking at their high needs list every month and see when I do Costco orders, if I could take things from the Costco order and then bring it to them afterward. Because that's just a small, easy way that I can give back on a regular basis. So definitely check them out if you are local to Park Slope or South Brooklyn, Brooklyn in general. It's important to do these things, and I'm happy that I'm in a position where I'm able to give back in the way that I did. Now we are gonna do some baking. I have a bunch of different cookies that I wanna make for my holiday party on Saturday. So I'm kind of just gonna get started. It's Wednesday afternoon, so that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's like 3 days that the cookies need to stay fresh. I think that should be fine. I'll just store them properly and make sure that they don't get stale. But today I'm gonna make peanut butter blossoms, which are some of my favorite Christmas cookies. I love peanut butter blossoms. I remember when I was little, my family would have a cookie exchange every Christmas where everyone would bring a different kind of cookie, and I went so hard for the cookie blossoms. I love them. I also love the meringues. I'm just thinking about like the table full of cookies when I was a wee little one and how delightful that was. Yeah, that was paradise. But today we're gonna make peanut butter blossoms. Pretty easy, delicious, simple. This year I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible because I feel like every year I try to go above and beyond, go to the max, do all these things, and then I just end up stressing myself out, and it takes a little bit of joy out of the parties. So this year I'm just doing simple appetizers, cookies, some little chips and cheese and crackers and stuff, and then ordering a pizza, and other people will bring stuff too, and that's enough. There's always so much food left over afterwards. I'm really trying to reduce waste and just focus on the things that everyone's gonna eat, and then just forget about everything else. So let's make some peanut butter blossoms. I have my first batch of cookie dough done and rolled and dipped in sugar, and now I'm gonna put them in the oven for 8 minutes, take them out, and put the Hershey Kisses in. It looks so perfect. I feel like the secret to this is to have patience and roll the balls really small so that you have a good cookie to Hershey Kiss ratio. Because if you have too much cookie and too little Hershey Kiss, it's like not the same kind of experience. So you have to make sure you get them like nice and small. And yeah, I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. I'm just putting them in the oven. Okay, so the cookies are done. They've been sampled and I put them away, and then I realized that I never showed you guys the finished product. I think I did the perfect ratio of cookie to Hershey Kiss because this is like the perfect 2-bite cookie. I don't like when there's too much cookie on the outside and then you get to the Hershey Kiss and then there's a lot of cookie left. I want it to be 2 bites, a little chocolate in each bite. Yeah, they're perfect. They have like the little crack, slightly golden brown. Delicious, delightful. So these are good. I'm gonna put them in my Rubbermaid like lock seal Tupperware. I actually got these this year when I upgraded all my Tupperware, and they're the best. They're super airtight, they don't spill, they're great for pretty much everything. And I think these will be good until Saturday. Tomorrow I'm gonna make more. I have to make my 7-layer bars. Probably on Friday I'll do that. And then I'm gonna make one more cookie. I'm not sure what, TBD. It's gonna be a game time decision, but I'm happy I got those done and out of the way. The moment that I got to the airport to leave for Paris, I realized that I should have brought my advent calendar with me. Like, it would have been so easy to put in my suitcase, but I just didn't think of it. It didn't cross my mind. And now I'm 5 days behind because today's day 10 and I only did 1, 2, 3. Is it really day 10? 1, 2, because today's December 10th. So I guess it is. Right? Am I right? Yeah, it's the 10th. So it's day 10 of the advent calendar. So I have to do 7 days today. Does that make sense? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I have to do 7 days. Oopsies. And my candle, I don't know. I'm just gonna have to burn it for a really long time today and tomorrow and try to catch up, but I don't know if it's possible. Next year I gotta get a skinnier one because these thick ones take so long to burn. But I'm so excited to see all the different characters that come out of my calendar. So just as an update, we have the mouse, we have the snowman, and we have the little kitty with the bow around her neck. And now we're going to number 4. Oh, it's like a little baby. We have this little baby. Adorable. I follow Mary Engelbright on Instagram, and it's been so nice seeing all of her like holiday decorations and her inspo and everything. She's just one of my favorite artists of all time. And now we're gonna do number 5. Oh, it's a little girl. These are all so cute, guys. Little girl, and she's holding a letter. She's putting mail in the mailbox. Oh my god, this one is the cutest so far. Look, she's putting mail in the mailbox. Now we're gonna do 6. We have a little girl walking a dog. I love her green hat and her little braid. This one is like 2 in 1 because you get the dog and you get the little girl. Guys, this is where I want to live. Do you remember the question a couple of vlogs ago of what movie or book I would want to live in? I would like to live in my Mary Engelbright advent calendar. This is the town that I want to live in. This is my ideal home. That's the final answer to this question. Number 7, a little boy with a trumpet. I just want to live in a quaint little Christmassy town. I was watching The Grinch today and I was like, I think I would do really well in Whoville. I could be a Who. I would live that life. A fox. The little fox goes next to the house. Now I have to do 9 and 10. Time goes by so fast. I can't believe it's Vlogmas Day 10. Oh, it's a man on a sled. He is very cool. He has a polka dot hat and a polka dot scarf and striped socks. He is going on the hill. He's literally sledding down the hill. And now the last one for the night is number 10. Number 10 is the little one up here. A bunny! I love this advent calendar. This is amazing. I wish I took a before picture of what it looked like when it was empty, but I guess I could use my imagination. I cannot believe we're already on day 10. Okay, now I'm gonna end this vlog here so I can edit this video and go to sleep because all of a sudden, like a half hour ago, I just got super, super tired. I slept really, really well last night, but the fatigue has just hit me out of nowhere. So I'm gonna edit this video, take a bath maybe, and go to sleep. But thank you guys so much for following along. I hope you guys like this vlog. Tomorrow we're gonna go out in the city a little bit, and then who knows? Who knows where the rest of the week will take us. But thanks so much for following along, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, see you later.